Go to Music. Confirm. Select a piece of music and click on it to enter the playback interface. Press M. Choose Play Mode. Use left-right key to choose Repeat. Confirm. Choose Repeat Off. Return. Return. Corresponding symbols. Repeat Off indicates that the song resumes playing in order. Press M. Choose Repeat E. Return. Return. Repeat E. Play the current song repeatedly. Press M. Choose Repeat All. Return. Return. Repeat All. Play all songs of the current directory. Press M. Choose View Playing. Return. Return. View Playing. Each track preview plays for 10 seconds and automatically cuts to the next track. Until the last song browsing playback is complete, then it will stop playing. Press M. Choose Shuffle. Return. Return. Shuffle. Play all audio files randomly, not repeatedly and not in order. Return. If you want to choose Shuffle Play, you can also click here Shuffle All.